Hello everyone, Karan here from Tech Revs, and today you're watching my review of this particular piece. This is the Snowball ICE Microphone. Now this is a blue condenser microphone. It comes in one single speech pattern, which is cardioid. Now what all is it useful for? Well, as per this box, it says it's a plug and play microphone, USB microphone. So obviously that tells you that this can connect only to a laptop and nothing else. This comes with an adjustable desktop stand, and it is certified for Discord, so that is for gaming, if that is something that you're into, gaming, and Skype of course. So all of that is there. Now being a cardioid microphone, what it means is it can only pick up your sound from when you're talking front like this. It will not pick up sound from around the microphone, left, right or back. It will not pick up sounds. It will only pick up the sound the way I'm speaking right now, and it gives it a very RJ-ish sound quality, which really feels really good. Right now I'm talking directly to the camera and it's picking up sound from everywhere, because my camera, the Canon M100, doesn't have a feature to connect a microphone. Now what you can do is you can have your audio recorded separately, and you can have your audio from there, and you can do post sync, which is a bit of a messy thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the unboxing right now, and then we are going to go directly into the review and how does it all work out and how does the sound actually feel. Let's get into it. Here we go with the unboxing. Now that the unboxing is out of the way, this is how the microphone looks like. This is called the Snowball ICE. I'm trying for it to focus here. Yeah, so this is the Snowball ICE, and this is how it looks like. You have a USB-B connector. Many times it's referred to as the printer connector. So you know the printer cable should work with this. Of course it comes with the connector by default. Then it comes with this. So over here the benefit is that it can actually adjust any boom pole for the mic, so that can get connected very easily. So let me just show you how the connector is. This is all of course made out of metal. This doesn't feel the strongest, this connector over here, but it's not the worst. So I have it in black. You can also get it in black and white. I got this for a price of 4,000 rupees, which I was very lucky to get for at a really cheap rate. But generally the pricing is around at 5,000 rupees on Amazon. You can check the affiliate links down below. So while I am opening this and I'm unscrewing this, as you can see, I have unscrewed it, and this is where basically the connector goes. And this is how the connector looks like. So generally any boom pole that should connect to this. So let's connect this back, because we have some interesting tests for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test from the webcam and see how the microphone from the laptop picks up, and what does this exactly do. So there are generally no softwares that come with this. You can directly record it to Audacity or through your other some softwares, but this doesn't generally come with a software, and neither does it even recommend. It's directly USB plug and play. So I'll just bring you down here, and what I'm going to do is, okay, so we'll place the mic here, over here, and this is the USB-B cable that I have connected over here, and we are going to connect this like this, and you can see the red light goes on. That means we are in perfect sync now. So here we go, much better. So now we are going to start with the audio test. Alright, So the sound that you should be hearing right now should be from the blue microphone, and this is connected to my laptop. There is fan spinning on the top. If you can see, there is a fan that is going on, and it's a slightly loud environment where you can have a lot of background noise. But let's see if this is able to properly isolate that sound, my sound, from the fan noise, which is a background sound. So let's check out how does the laptop mic fare. All right, guys, absolutely same setup. The fan is spinning at full speed ahead, and it's summers, so I shouldn't be uncomfortable while I'm vlogging, right? Or while I'm trying to record something, or while I'm playing some game, long art sessions of gaming. I shouldn't be feeling uncomfortable. So let's see if this picks up the background noise or does it properly isolate. I don't expect it to isolate, but those just might surprise me. And let me know which is a better microphone down below. So the next sound that I'm going to record is from Maono, or Mono, however you would like to call it. It's a cheap brand that gives you really cheap recording stuff, and they're generally really good for the price and the value that they offer. This one I got for around 400 rupees because I was trying to up my audio game, but the audio devices did not feel that great. But this might be different. So let's check out how the audio actually feels like. The audio sample that you're hearing right now is from the blue Snowball ICE microphone. Quite a mouthful actually. Blue Snowball ICE. Yeah. So blue Snowball ICE microphone, and I'm sitting quite a distance away. And I'm speaking very normally in my normal voice. So you should hear the sound not being picked up very strongly right now. All right. So I have this connected, and I'm going to put it over here because that's where a lav mic generally goes. So let me know how does this sound now. And this, I'm doing it via the 3.5 mm jack, which goes into a laptop. And let me know how does the sound actually feel like. Is the blue better, or does the laptop do for you, or does a cheap 400 rupees microphone do for you? There are two more microphones that I have. One is by JBL and the other is by and let me know how is the sound quality from this and the sound output. So I hope those samples gave you a little bit of an idea how the sounds actually feel like when you're doing it. Like, I want to tell you, the options that we had were by this, Mono. The other one was this blue Snowball ICE black microphone, which is a plug-and-play microphone, and it records via USB. So other option was this, an expensive one. So this was for 400. This was straight away for 4,000. So that's 10 times more in a completely different league. I don't even know why I compared it, but just for your reference, I did it. And the other was pretty straightforward. This laptop that you're seeing, this is the Acer Predator Helios laptop. Yeah, so this is the Acer Predator Helios gaming laptop. It's a laptop that is worth 1+ lakh. So for me, the results were pretty clear, and as expected, blue was the best of the bunch. Second came this, and the worst, like you should not even use it while you're doing it in this day and age, was from the laptop speaker. So, but there's a huge but over there. If you are willing to sacrifice and not constantly keep on moving these microphones, they should be good actually. They should be pretty decent. And if you have a DSLR camera like this that has a mic input jack, to start off, this will be slightly more better than what you're using right now, the way we are talking right now. But if you want to do professional audio recording, then Snowball Black Ice or White Ice, whatever color you want, is the way to go. And there's a reason why you're paying that extra amount of money, because this has a single pickup pattern, and it is a single condenser mic, so it will pick up directly from the front. no other places will you speak from will it pick it up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and you're also getting to know how the mic of the Canon is. Not the best, not the greatest, but what can I do? I make do with this. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you liked it, like. If you want to subscribe to my channel because you like the content, subscribe to my channel. And for more such latest gadget reviews and tech and tips, keep subscribed. See you. Peace.